The future of the fishing industry depends to a large extent on conserving fish species. Stocks are being depleted, chiefly by overfishing. If we don't act soon, they could collapse before 2050. Satellite altimetry offers solutions for supporting sensible stewardship of fish stocks. Ocean circulation charts derived from altimetry data tell us where ocean eddies and fronts are. Plankton thrives in cold waters, attracting shoals of fish to feed. Fish are therefore frequently found in the front zones between warm and cold waters. Satellite data are making it easier to detect fish and telling us more about their geographic distribution. European and international institutions are thus able to propose where fishing should or should not be allowed. Enforcement agencies can then closely monitor favored fishing grounds to detect vessels operating illegally. This system also cushions the social impact of conservation measures. Fishing is a tough business. Combining altimetry data with other information, like ocean color and sea state, to locate authorized fishing grounds optimizes catches, thereby saving time, fuel, and money, and enhancing safety. Such solutions derived from satellite data will help to achieve sustainable fishing.